Hey, what's up everyone? Tim here from Everyday Tactical Vids. Just got our latest battle box. Let's see what we got. All right, our first item is this, which is from Pitbull Tactical, and it's the Universal Mag Carrier. So this is gonna work for a 9mm up to a 45 ACP. You can put your rounds facing frontwards, backwards. Basically what you have is a very rugged plastic, and then this gray section is rubber. And so as you put the mag in, this thing can stretch out a little bit, and if you have a smaller mag in, it'll close up. You can wear it inside the waistband, outside the waistband. This is valued at $24.99, so 25 bucks for this first item. Now obviously if you're carrying a pistol, whether it's CCW or you're out on the range, you want to have something that can hold your mags effectively. I haven't used this thing, like I just took it out of the box, but the concept is pretty cool. All right, our second item is the Breakthrough Clean Technologies Battleborn HP Pro Lubricant and Protectant. So this is to use, I mean, you can use it on a variety of things where if you need to lubricate them, but ultimately this is for cleaning and lubricating your weapons. This is valued at $12.95, so not a ton of money as far as, you know, what the cost is for this, but good to have, you know, when, especially if you're out there, like I said, on the range a lot, and just shooting in general, you know, to have something to clean your gear. I've got stuff that I use already. I've used a lot of Remington products, but I've got this now, and so there's an additional product. Again, valued at just about 13 bucks. This next product is pretty cool. So it's valued at about 10 bucks. It's a propane bottle refill adapter. So you can refill your 1 pound propane bottles off a 20 pound propane tank. So basically that big white tank that you see there is like what you'd use on your grill, and then you have your little green tanks like you use for camping. So rather than buying brand new ones, you can just refill it, which I think is great. That can definitely save you quite a bit of money. I want to pause here and say real quick, this is an example of why you might want to subscribe to Battlbox, because this is a product like I would never have heard of or found. It's a product I wouldn't have used because I didn't own it. Now I own it. Now again, I'm getting this box for free, so I don't have to invest the money that you would have to since I'm reviewing it. But like that's an example of like seeing newer and different products that Battlbox does research on and finds, and then getting it to you as a customer. So that's a reason why you may want to invest in Battlbox. This product here is Cat Tongue Grips Non-Abrasive Grip Tape. So it's like a super high test duct tape. It says non-abrasive, anti-slip, strong adhesive, waterproof, customized with scissors, clear, won't yellow in sunlight. So basically the idea is that you can customize products so that they're grippy. I don't know if that's a word, but today is grippy. It says these products provide amazing grip in everyday life, in your hand, in your car, at your home, on your workspace, and anytime you're on the go. So the value for this is 20 bucks. Maybe a little bit expensive. I'm not really familiar with this product, but definitely good to have something to add extra grip. And then once again, it's like a strong non-slip tape as well. So that's something you might want to, you know, keep at home, keep in the shop, so you can repair and add grip to various items. All right, next level up, we have this. This is valued at 30 bucks. It's a Plano pistol case, 18 inches. Plano makes great products. Let me open this up here so you can see inside. That's what it looks like inside. Obviously, you don't have to use it just for a pistol. You can use it for a variety of different things that you want to keep safe. You do have a way on multiple corners there to lock it if you want to put a lock there. So as far as your actual size here, it says the exterior is 18.25 by 13.9 by 4.75. As far as the interior, 17.6 by 10.5 by 3.5. This can hold 2 pistols quite easily. All right, the next level we have this, which is from Hybrid Hex. This is a Bluetooth speaker and charger, as well as a light and flashlight, and it also has a built-in FM radio. So the value for this one, value is $66.95, which is pretty high. I've had a product similar to this. I don't think it had the radio built in. The Bluetooth was nice, except it did rattle a little bit. So I'm definitely gonna have to test this guy out to see if it has the rattle as well. But again, you're getting a lantern, you're getting a Bluetooth speaker, you're getting a FM radio, and they're saying flashlight, but it's got basically a light that comes out the side and then a light that hangs down. So yeah, that's valued at $66.95. So here's what it looks like outside the box. There's your flashlight and then your lantern here. You do have a little hook here, so you can pop this up. See if I can do this here. So you can hang it like so. There's your lantern. Let's turn it on here. There's first illumination level. There's your lantern. I think that's just off. Okay, so you can see it's not, you're not getting a lot of light out of it right now. All right, so you do have your, you know, your power buttons here on the side. You do have a spot to put in earphones, and then you have a spot for an SD card if you want to, like, you know, bring some music or something, an audiobook, and put it on there. It does have a spot on the top where you can officially charge it with solar power. I've yet to see something that's this small really be effective. I put these things on my dashboard in the noonday sun, and it works like ever so slightly, but generally you need a bigger panel if you're really going to charge something up. So you're going to charge this on the side with the micro USB. The cord is included, and then you can charge items off of it with the USB right there. All right, last up for our knife of the month, we have a knife from Mikkel Willemsen, and this one's actually pretty cool. I checked it out. So this is kind of in their tactical line. This is what it looks like. So it's D2 for the steel. I think it's called the Red E, as in ready. It reminds me of a knife that Fox makes that's a Voxnace design. So it's got kind of that similar look. Very cool, very aggressive G10 here. Black spacer. You got your pocket clip. You can switch the clip to the other side if you want to. There's your blade. Very cool profile. I mean, definitely very grippy. I could definitely see this being a good tactical knife, but also just like a knife for out in the field, the workshop, that type of thing. Very compact too. So that's your last item for this month's battle box. All right, guys. So I had a chance to test out the Bluetooth, and no rattle, no hum, no issues whatsoever. So that's cool. It's not super loud. I can tell you I've used other smaller Bluetooth speakers that do give more of an output, but it definitely works, and it gives you a lot of other functions with the lantern, the radio, the micro USB, headphone jack. I mean, it's got a lot of options for you. So that's something I want to tell you about. So overall, I would rate this box as good. It's not terrible. It's not amazing. You know, if it was good, great, and awesome, or good, great, and amazing, I would say it's good. I do like the knife design. I think that's cool. Plano makes good products, so if you need something to store, you know, whether it's those two pistols or other stuff, they make a solid product, so that's good. As always, I want to hear what you guys think about the products. You think about Battlbox. Give me your thoughts and your feedback in the comment section. All right, guys, thanks as always for checking out the videos here on YouTube. Please subscribe to Everyday Tactical Vids if you haven't done so already. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Instagram, Tumblr, and Vero as well. More videos coming soon. Take care.